This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 56 Case Studies I. This week, the focus is on practice projects that apply learned concepts and develop skills, including data entry systems and algorithms. The first project centers around building a data entry system for student records management, utilizing object-oriented programming, graphical user interfaces, and a phased implementation approach. The second project involves implementing various binary trees, sorting algorithms, and searching algorithms, aimed at students with computer science backgrounds and problem-solving skills. In addition to implementation details, these projects also cover visualizing the progress of algorithms using Java's graphics package, emphasizing reusability, thorough commenting, and adherence to software engineering best practices. The key takeaways are the opportunities to practice coding, enhance programming skills, and develop an understanding of algorithms, all while learning OOP, GUI programming, and data structures fundamentals. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.